Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, and right now Sun is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your journal health and your basic perception and your fundamental nature is also seen from first house. So right now your first house Lord is moving in your fourth house, where fourth house Lord is also moving in the sign of Scorpio, Mars. So fourth house deal with your home, your physical home is seen from fourth house, your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house, your properties and your vehicles is also seen from fourth house, and your homeland is also seen from fourth house. So right now first house Lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect your major focus in the month of December will be your home, your comfort and your conveniences in life. Also we can expect good result regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Also we can expect good result regarding your property related matter in the month of December. Sun will stay in your fourth house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius, where Mercury is already moving. So after 17th of December, when Sun will move to your fifth house, then we can expect good result regarding your education related matter if you are in education right now. Also, we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter if you have children and love relationship. Because fifth house deal with your children, so love relationship, your early education, your mental ability and your planning ability is also seen from fifth house. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of December for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. And right now Mercury is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of achievements, means your incoming gains seen from 11th house in the bulk, or your achievements also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your professional circle, your PR, your get together is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house and your second house deal with your family lineage, your family history, your family values, your upbringing, your savings, your money matters, your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So second house and 11th house Lord is right now moving in your fifth house, and from fifth house Mercury is expecting its own house, your 11th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your achievements in the month of December. Also we can expect good result regarding your love relationship, your girlfriend boyfriend related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your fun activities, because your 11th house of gains, house of achievement Lord is moving in the house of fun activities. And after 17th of December, Sun, your ascendant Lord, will be also moving in your fifth house. So we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter, regarding your love relationship, regarding your gains related matter and your achievement related matter in the month of December, because your ascendant Lord and your 11th house Lord will be moving in your fifth house after 17th of December. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in your fifth house after 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. So after Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your fifth house, then we can expect more good result regarding your 11th house related matter, because whenever any planets turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. But Mercury also controls your second house. Right now, Ketu is moving in your second house after 30th October 2023, and your second house Lord is moving in your fifth house. That's why you have to careful regarding your speech related matter and your communication related matter with your family member. You may have to face some difficulty and some argument and some confrontation from your family members, because your Ketu is moving in your second house and your Lord of second house is moving in your fifth house. But after 17th of December, Sun, which represent ego, will be also moving in your fifth house, and which is also your ascendant Lord. That's why we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of December for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now, Venus is moving in your third house in its own sign, in the sign of Libra. 10th house deal with your work, your fame, your authority in life is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career, how good you are in your work is seen from 10th house. Your bosses, your colleagues, your nature of your work is also seen from 10th house. Third house deal with your communication, your efforts, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends is seen from third house, but mainly your communication and your communication skills and your efforts is seen from third house. So right now, third house lord and 10th house lord is in a strong position in your third house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. You will put a lot of effort in your work and your career in the month of December, because Jupiter is also aspecting your 10th house lord in your third house, and Jupiter aspects of Jupiter on Venus will prove very beneficial for you people regarding your work related matter and your communication related matter. Also, we can expect you will put a lot of effort in your work in a positive manner, and you will also get revenue of that effort in your future days. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, moon controls your 12th house, and right now moon is moving in your second house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because moon is considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house, and moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Mars is moving in your fourth house in its own sign, in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth house, as we discussed previously, fourth house deal with your mother, your relationship with your mother, your home, your comfort, your peace in life is seen from fourth house, your properties, your vehicles also seen from fourth house. Ninth house deal with your travel, ninth house deal with your higher education, means your post-grad education is seen from ninth house. Your religious matter, your religious inclination, your father, your teachings of your father is also seen from ninth house. Your teachers, your mentors, your lawyers, and your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house and fourth house lord is in a strong position in your fourth house. That's why previously we were saying in sun section you will get good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your property related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your happiness related matter, because your fourth house lord is in the fourth house and your fourth house is in a very strong position. That's why we can expect good result regarding your home related matter, regarding your properties related matter. Also we can expect good result if you want to travel somewhere in the month of December, because Jupiter, your 8th house lord and your 5th house lord, is also moving in your ninth house in the sign of Mars house. And right now Mars, your ninth house travel lord, is moving in the house of homeland, and Mars is in a very strong position. So if you want to travel somewhere in the month of December, if you're previously trying to move from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect good result for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of December. We can expect good result regarding your fame related matter and your work related matter, because your 10th house lord is in a strong position, and from 4th house Mars is also expecting your 10th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter and your work related matter in the month of December as well. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of December. In the month of December, we will have four major astrological events. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your fourth house, but after 17th of December, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your third house, but after 24th of December, Venus will move to your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your fifth house. But after 13th of December, Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your ninth house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion. But after 1st January 2024, Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your ninth house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Leo Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.